London girl, they represent.
Hold on, pause, cause we're not doing these today. Why my foot has scratched me? Okay. Alright, sorry. I think my foot did scratch me, dog. Alright, go on. Sweet music. Yo, right now we have Vybz Kartel with you. Official music video. Reaction by who? The reaction boss, of course. Now, right now, people, you see this video? We're calling this video Analyzing the Booty. Sound good, don't? We're analyzing the booty today. All of the girls let me analyze today. You see me? I say, I'm going to analyze them. People, like up the video. Drop the fire emoji right now. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. And I know post every single Bumbuckle day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You see me? I say, I work 14-hour shifts every day. We still do it. Because YouTube will handle. So, subscribe to the channel. Make we reach 30,000 subscribers before the year ends. We're at 26,000. We'll start there at 5,000. 100K by next year. That's the aim, that's the goal. 30,000 before the year ends. I'm sure we can analyze the booty them right now. Go on, sweet music.
Sweet music.
Yeah.
Cartel.
Yeah.
Represent.
Whoa, let's analyze the blood clot booty. No, this one have a little arch in the back of it and it plus, you see me, I say it's perfect. It looks like if I smack it little time, it jiggle. You see me, I say, we'll analyze the booty today and say, if it jiggle. I like that one there. Big up yourself. And she barefoot and I like that one here. Go on, more booty. We have one right there now. So that one here right now, I like that one. That one there really jiggle. It look real jiggly. You understand me? I say, yeah. And if it, you see what she in there, right? So yeah. You know what, everyone could start. Beautiful. Let's go. Stop it, blood clot. Cap and shoot, Tyreek.
We represent for the girl there. Know your girl them.
Pause. No, this one, like one like old man booty. Maybe I will pause with them. I don't know. I'm not going to bash her. You see me? I say, but. Go on.
London girl, they represent.
Hold on, pause, cause we're not doing these today. Why my foot has scratched me? Okay. Alright, sorry. I think my foot did scratch me, dog. Alright, go on. Right, but now post over there. Right, Sean.
For the girl there, son girl.
Bomba class here there. No, sir. I want to go up to Jamaica. Nah, post a blood clot me there. Yeah.
Birmingham girl.
Boy. Yeah, shit, like when I'm ex them, no joke. But you look lighter than a couple of them girls there. Ah! What the hell me I do? Go on! Yeah.
Hotter than a girl where you do that your style there.
Me think me da go see something a while I got to blood clot. Me think me da go see something a while I got to blood no clot. But you know, I created the blood clot song now. I use my Bumbuckle best. Go on, Carter, run tune, sweet music.
All here just a should I get fired. All when you just wake up in the demand.
Hard. I know the song already now. I'm there for the reaction, though. No. Cap. Alright. I breast them bit. Go on.
You look good no pop down and
tired.
Them a use over you a use prior. Anything you wear there.
She pray. She not have to use no OB for tie no man. She have the good puno and make him have to come back. Let me hear that song there. Drink a cup
man I admire. Argue your man bun, shot will fire.
Me I do the same thing, brother.
Fire. I give your man bunch.
Put the phone there, so Tyreek. Bumbleclot! You embrace the biggie dog! Push it fat in, dog! Light skin! She look good! Go on!
That will fire.
Me see you. Start fast, I'm a woman.
Boyfriend one side and I watching but
Bumbleclot! That gonna show me, I see? This one, do this, that. Just do this one and I watch the video. Want to see better. Claude, go on!
but him can't do nothing. I feel pre yo. Be a stress him did I give your boy you free now. Life sweet.
Can I ugly man this? Go pick up more man. No. You don't want to see the man in the video. Be a big batty girl more man. No! Big bumbleclot nose. No! No!
Yo, wine on the beat now. Mad rats I go grand when we reach home.
What this already answer? Alright, she at twerk. It a shake. And the bumbleclot man she at twerk pan too. Bumbleclot man. Move out of my camera and see the man now. Move on no man. Yeah, baby. Reaction back. Youth.
I wanna pop champagne with you. You're so beautiful.
Analyze the blood clot body. Set good enough phone. Bumbleclot, get your body big. Yes, get the cheeks them set good. Me like that because blood clot. People do this and look on it. She look bad. So I like the dark skin them, you know, man. Go on.
I wanna pop champagne with
Boy, Jamaica. Hey, you fatty again? But I post a video, I have trouble with her. I'm beautiful. Oh, Lord. Yeah, girl. Watch him. Yawa. Why you look over there, sir? See, girl, I saw that twerk in front of you, brother. That's the game there, twerk. Why you look, pan? You see, I don't want some man in some video that call me, they don't want video right now, that I'm saying, girl, I like, what? See me here? Me, I look. Why fuck you, man, look over there, sir? And they get me right in front of you, twerk. Bumbuckle belt, man.
thousands of dollars. House full of furniture like coats.
Here come blood clot. Here come. She called me. Blood clot. Me a forward. She said something. Blood. I want to go through the phone a while ago. Blood clot. Go on.
It tap like swatter. Pop off your top, don't tag her.
Yeah.
She have a bag of followers, it don't matter.
We need some water. Me love pum pum. Pussy until me dead. Nothing else can so. A world boss. Bumbleclot, I can't tell you make them song there and you go on.
Shot now fire, but the teeth them scatter.
Yeah.
Can't do nothing.
Oh God, there's someone that watch your pums, you know. Friday the girl horse in a banana leaf over me. I've bet that killers are up on the girl, you know. I know the girl gone on yet at a part with B man and thing and him Lord God, man. Watch your pums, man. Probably other man pay him for watch her. Go on.
Be a stress him did I give your boy you free now.
Yeah.
Life sweet yo, wine on the beat now. Mad rats I go.
Bumbleclot, you go swim out there? Me done now. Me dead. I'm dead. I am dead. Bruh. You literally gonna do that. Oh, Lord. Even the accent chip in while I got a blood clot, dog. And you the boss. We go for yourself. Go on.
Go on when we reach home. I wanna pop champagne with you.
Why Jamaica? Where she come from again? Remember, right over Canada. About Canada. UK. Boy, Jamaica, she just stretch out the foot and split on the dick. Aye, turn round and Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Go on.
You're so beautiful. I wanna pop champagne.
Bamba Clan, girl! Yes! God. Me love boom boom. Pussy until me die. Nothing else can so. Grandchildren! You're so beautiful.
I wanna
Pop champagne with
you.
How big it be, so? Dog! I need to be myself, you know. Me know every day I get yellow mark from now till tomorrow. Go on.
You're so beautiful.
Yeah.
I wanna pop champagne with you.
One cry. Why make you so tired? Why make you turn so good? Why you not turn so good? One cry, dog. Legit one cry, dog. Why make you turn so good?
I wanna pop champagne with you.
Ooh. No, don't leave it there, Terry. Terry, no. God, make you want to see you by your head top. Peace.